This is the all-new Skoda Scala. It has its sights keenly set on the Golf, Focus, Ceed, i30 and Corolla hatchback market. It's got the usual Skoda, best-in-class space and practicality, and it's filled with brand new tech. The Scala comes with a choice of petrol engines, a 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo with 113 brake horsepower and 200 Nm of torque, a 1.5-litre 4-cylinder turbo which has 148 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. There will also be a diesel variant with a 1.6-litre 113 brake horsepower engine emitting just 108 grams per kilometre of CO2. These engines will have either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual clutch automatic. There are 3 specs available on launch: Active, Ambition and Style. Active spec starts with 16-inch alloys, LED headlights, aircon, a 6.5-inch infotainment display and 2 USB-C ports. Ambition includes a cruise control, rear parking sensors, a glass tailgate including spoiler, as well as offering Android and Apple smartphone connectivity for navigation. The top of the range is Style. This will include 17-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights and rear privacy glass. It also features Skoda's biggest infotainment system, the 9.2-inch Amundsen system with virtual cockpit and 3D navigation. There's a ton of optional extras, the best value of which has to be the panoramic sunroof. As an upgrade of €918, it's one of the best value options available when compared to rivals. The Scala starts at €26,350 and is exclusively offered as a hatchback.